Meaning of ineffectively.
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 Ineffectively. The word ineffectively means when something is done in a way that does not produce the desired result or is inefficient. For instance, if a person tries to fix a broken appliance with inadequate tools or techniques, the repair may be done ineffectively, resulting in the appliance still being dysfunctional. Ineffectiveness can also apply to actions meant to achieve a goal but fail to do so. For example, a marketing campaign that poorly communicates a product's benefits can be deemed ineffective if it fails to generate sales or interest from customers.